Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solympics token. Now this is a fairly new token that is getting a very brand new big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, July 27th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, name of the token is Solympics, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. There is 9 decimal places on this token. They have a market cap right now of over $2.5 million. Token price today is 0.0025 USD. And it started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And right now the current supply is 999,974,982 tokens. So you can find this token on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart, you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, eventually, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap if it's not there yet. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, July 27th at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Solympics when the token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on prior to this Mexc Global listing, going on today, July 26th, there is a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token, and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of USDT, so you could win massive airdrops. And they usually have this Kickstarter event going on for new tokens on Mexc Global. Now, if you are looking for their Twitter, you can find it at Solympics 2024, and I am going to put that in the corner of the screen there as usual. They have a blue verified check mark, 2,300 Twitter followers, 60 tweets so far. It says, "Get ready for a marathon run on Solana." And it has a link to their Telegram right there, has a link to their webpage. It's basically all the links that you need are going to be on this Twitter right here. And then in their most recent tweets, they're talking about this brand new Mexc Global listing. And yeah, so there's a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. And this Twitter just joined in June 2024. I did see Solympics trending on Dex Screener, I believe last night or yesterday morning. But very recently, this token was trending in the Solana section on Dex Screener in the top 10. It could be still. I'm going to have a look in a second. So their Telegram at Solympics on Sol has 1,708 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter, where you're going to see new partnerships, new token listings like the Mexc global listing, memes, of course. So according to DEX Screener, this token is up 22.1% today, has a 24-hour trading volume of $4.4 million. So needless to say, this is a very popular project. Market cap is $2.4 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. And this token is trending number 23 on DEX Screener right now. Has $172,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, there is a liquidity lock as well. Token price today is about 0.0025 USD. And it says 99.72% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. It also says they have been doing advertising on DEX Screener. There's the ads button there. So they're doing a good job of promoting themselves, marketing. And this pair was actually just created on Raydium 3 days, 19 hours ago. And yeah, if you wanted to get this token prior to the Mexc global listing, you can get it off a DEX right now. So you can get it by funding your Phantom wallet or your Solflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps and finding Raydium or Jupiter, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, solympics.vip. Now you may have to set slippage if there is taxes. I'll have a look here in a second to see if I can find that. So it says, welcome to the Solympics, where Solana's memeable force meets the world's favorite contest, the Olympics. Experience hilarious memes, wild challenges, and epic competitions. Join us for the ultimate blend of Solana culture and Olympic spirit. Let the games begin. Sharpen those meme generators, stretch those creative muscles, and get ready for a play like never seen before. It's going to be epic, insane, and utterly degenerate. We are here. Don't miss this chance. So, you know, if you go to their webpage, you go to their socials, you're going to see an insane amount of crazy memes and all sorts of stuff like that. There is NFTs involved here. They have like a game on their page too, where it looks like you can win prizes. It says prizes await lucky NFT minters. So you can get involved with that. They have some crazy looking NFTs, the Solympic NFTs. They have the tokenomics and roadmap on here, and it does say 0% to buy and sell taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage or anything like that. And yeah, so they're going to have here the grand opening, airdrops, it says here, memes, TGE, more memes, coin market cap listing eventually, the NFT thing I was talking about, Mexc global listing, merch drop, going viral. So yeah, that's basically their roadmap. You can check that out there. But yeah, all the info is at solympics.vip, and this token is getting this brand new Mexc global listing. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.